What I got here is the pad carrier, brake pad carrier, both front, left, and right. Cleaned it up, just kind of gave it a nice little paint job here. Slides are all nice new silicone in there. Slide nice, so I'm just gonna throw in the stainless steel hardware and then put the pads in it. You just press in, friction fit. Okay, so just like on the rear, this is the outboard pad, so this is the pad that's facing out, roadside. And this is the inboard pad. And we can see this pad here came chipped in the box. I'm still going to use it. But as we can see here, that this little U-shaped slot here, that holds a pad wear sensor, whereas the inboard one is not as, it's not as deep. A little bit of brake silicone just on those stainless steel hardware there, just kind of where the pads slide contact. Okay, just like that. So one side done, I'm going to do the other side and then I'll install it on the vehicle.